As you all know, Marcus got third place. Stand, please, yes. He knows that he should stay. Then it's Søren. And then we have Siggy. So you get of course this one, the most important. And then maybe second important, or maybe not. Maybe this is the one. Congratulations. And you don't get this one.
Ja, det var schuld.
I completely forgot about this, but it's a trophy given by Martin Egger. It goes to fastest time of the contest, Marcus.
Now we can do some pictures.
Ja,